Hi there, my name's James Sawyer, Partner Solutions Consultant here at LastPass. Welcome to this micro demonstration focused on the LastPass end user experience. In this episode, we'll take a look at how to add a TOTP, how it works, and where to find help documentation if necessary. Let's get started. So as I'm sure you're aware, there's multiple item types that you can add, one of which is a website. A lot of websites nowadays are protected by multi-factor, but you may not want to have a multi-factor application storing all this information, or you may have a site that you need to share with multiple people that has that kind of password associated to it. So if we were to look at the password section, you'll notice there's one that says one-time passcode. So from these providers, rather than clicking on or scanning a QR code, you can get what they call a secret. Now, it might not work with all providers, but the majority of them do give you the ability to get a secret that you can plug in instead of a QR code. With this information, you would just go to enter your secret, plug that information in here, and then what will happen is you'll have this one-time passcode in here that cycles every minute. Now I have one already set up so you can kind of see how it works. Right here I have an Amazon account that I had set up. It's not a real Amazon account, it's not live to anything, but if we click into it, you can see there's a one-time passcode that's in here. So I'm going to display it just so that you can see that right now the number is 09383. So within a minute, this code will shift. It's exactly the same thing that you would see with a multi-factor authentication application. There you go. It's already updated in real time to 715343. So if I try to access this site and I put this in as my one-time passcode, it would allow that connection. It's as easy as that. It's just a question of the provider that you go with and whether or not they'll put it through. Now, currently, it's only supported in the browser, so in order to get this code, you need to get it in a browser. It's not available on the mobile device, but as you can see, I did put it in a shared folder that I've shared with colleagues, so they could go in and access that information. If you need any kind of help documentation about the topic of TOTPs, feel free to go to our help section, support center, and from here you can actually search for TOTP and it'll give you documentation on how to set this up. Well, that brings us to the end of this micro demonstration. In this episode, we showed you how to add TOTP and how it works and where to find information about it. I would really appreciate if you guys could take a look at some of the other videos that we've put out featuring the benefits of LastPass Business. In the meantime, I'm James Sawyer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.